the Tri-Creaser Fast Fit Advance system. Let's look closely at how this new innovation works. As with the previous generation Tri-Creaser, the male component located on the top shaft produces the main spine crease, forming a U-shaped groove. The female component, located on the bottom shaft, houses a uniquely designed and patented plastic receiver ring. These rings are color-coded and correspond with the matching colored creasing rib housed in the male component. 3 color codes are used for light, medium, and heavy stock materials. A specially designed profile enables the female receiver ring to perform 2 functions simultaneously during operation. Firstly, it is designed to receive the male creasing rib protrusion, helping to form that U-shaped groove for the spine crease. Secondly, the female receiver ring utilizes 2 of its own creasing protrusions positioned at either side of the main creasing channel. These protrusions gently push the processed sheet, applying upward pressure into the shoulders of the opposing male rubber creasing rib above. This motion irons out the fibers in the areas either side of the main crease line that would otherwise be more prone to flaking. The 2 channels aid a much improved and cleaner folding result. See how in one operation 3 adjacent creasing impressions are applied to the sheet, 1 in a downward direction and 2 creases in an upward direction. The result is a beautifully defined crease impression that eliminates the problem of fiber cracking on the outside of the fold, whilst greatly reducing or eliminating the toner flaking problem on the inside of the fold. Tech-ni-Fold's innovation and forward thinking is here to help you produce finished work you are proud to call your own. Tech-ni-Fold, delivering solutions through innovation.